Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Versatile Knowledge Master. So today we are going to talk about famous inventors and their inventions. So without any delay, let's begin. So first question is, who invented the computer? Answer is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is also known as the father of computer. Who invented the laptop? Answer is Osborne. Who invented the car? Answer is Carl Benz. Who invented the Bluetooth? Answer is Jaap Hartsen. Who invented the camera? Answer is Joseph Nicephore Niepce. Who invented the electricity? Answer is Benjamin Franklin. Who invented the wireless remote control? Answer is Robert Adler. Who invented the windshield wiper blade? Answer is Vasily Andreev. Who invented the windshield wiper? Answer is Vasily Andreev. Who invented canning? Answer is Nicholas Appert. Who invented the FM radio? Answer is Edwin Howard Armstrong. Who invented the waterbed? So the waterbed was invented by Neil Arnott. Who invented the modern digital computer? Answer is John Vincent Attensoff. Who invented the magnifying glass? Answer is Roger Bacon. Who invented the video game console? Answer is Ralph H. Baer. Who invented the electromechanical television, electronic color television? Answer is John Logie Baird, which is oftenly known as J.L. Baird. Who invented the gas turbine? Answer is John Barber. Who invented PVC? Answer is Eugen Baumann. Who invented the wind-up radio? Answer is Trevor Bayliss. Who invented the channel number 5? Answer is Ernest Buick. Who invented the pH meter? Answer is Arnold O. Beckman. Who invented the telephone? Answer is Alexander Graham Bell. So this is a very common question. Next question is, who invented the petrol powered automobile? Answer is Carl Benz. So Carl Benz is answer of this question also, and Carl Benz was also the answer of who invented the car. So Carl Benz is both the inventor of car and petrol powered automobile. So we move on to the next question. Answer is, who invented the first rocket powered aircraft BI-1 together with Alexei Mikhailovich Izeev? Answer is Alexander Berezinek. Who invented the World Wide Web? With Robert Callew. World Wide Web is often known as WWW. So its answer is Tim Berners-Lee. Who invented the modern ballpoint pen? Answer is Laszlo Biro. Who invented the stereo? Answer is Alan Blumlein. Who invented the 3-point seat belt? Answer is Niels Bohlin. Who invented the snowmobile? Answer is Joseph Amrand Bombardier. Who invented the Braille writing system? Braille writing system. Who invented? Answer is Louis Braille. Who invented cell phone? Answer is Jacques E. Brandenburger. Who invented stainless steel? Answer is Harry Bradley. Who invented the automatic handgun? Answer is John Moses Browning. Who invented the Land Rover? Answer is Edwin Beard Budding. Who invented paper? Answer is Ceylon. Who invented nylon? Answer is Wallace Carothers. Who invented peanut butter? Answer is George Washington Carver. Who invented corsets? Answer is Roxy Ann Kaplan. Who invented the first space station, Salyut and Proton rocket, the most used heavy lift launch system? Answer is Vladimir Chalomey. Who invented the pressure suit? Answer is Evgeny Chertovsky. Who invented the neon lamp? Answer is George Claude. Who invented the dishwasher? Answer is Josephine Cochrane. Who invented the hovercraft? Answer is Christopher Cockerell. Who invented the Christmas card? Answer is Sir Henry Cole. Who invented the revolver? Answer is Samuel Colt. Who invented the electric stove? Answer is Lloyd Groff Copeman. Who invented the piano? Answer is Bartolomeo Cristofori. Who invented the first steam powered road vehicle? Answer is Nicholas Joseph Cugnot. Who invented the first artificial refrigerator? Answer is William Cullen. Who invented or is at least credited for inventing eyeglasses in 1284? Answer is Salvino D'Armate. Who invented 3D holography? Answer is Yuri Nikolaevich Denisyuk. Who invented the thermal flask? Answer is James Dewar. Who invented the ceiling fan and the electric sewing machine? Answer is Philip Diel. Who invented the diesel engine? Answer is Rudolf Diesel. So he invented diesel and put that name after his name. Who invented the Dolby noise reduction system? Answer is Ray Dolby. Who invented the ejection seat? Answer is Anastas Dragomir. Who invented the first navigable submarine? Answer is Cornelius Drebbel. Who invented the first practical pneumatic tire? Answer is John Boyd Dunlop. Who invented the first telephone handset? Answer is Cyril Duquette. Who invented dual cyclone bagless vacuum cleaner? Answer incorporating the principles of cyclone separation. Answer is James Dyson. Who invented roll film? Answer is George Eastman. Who invented the first monorail horse drawn? Answer is Ivan L. Manov. Who invented the implantable pacemaker? Answer is Rune Elmquist. Who invented the computer mouse? Answer is Douglas Engelbart. Who invented the microprocessor? Answer is Federico Faggin. Who invented the nuclear reactor? Answer is Enrico Fermi. Who invented the two-way radio? Answer is Reginald Fessenden. Who invented the contact lenses? Answer is Adolf Gaston Eugenfick. Who invented the Geiger counter? Answer is Hans Wilhelm Geiger. Who invented the guillotine, a device for human decapitation? Answer is Joseph Ignaz Guillotin. Who invented the first anti-chlorella and anti-plague vaccines? Answer is Vladimir Haffkine. Who invented the synthetic diamond? Answer is Tracy Hall. Who invented the flush toilet? Answer is John Harrington. Who invented the liquid crystal display LCD? Answer is George H. Hellmeyer. Who invented radiotelegraphy, electromagnetic radiation? Answer is Heinrich Hertz. Who invented the postage stamp? Answer is Roland Hill. Who invented aspirin? Answer is Felix Hoffman. Who invented the LED? Light emitting diode. Answer is Nick Holonaik. Who invented the cocoa powder, cocoa butter, chocolate milk? Answer is Conrad Johannes van Houten. Who invented the radio telescope? Answer is Carl Gutthe-Jansky. Who invented the cornflake breakfast? Answer is John Harvey Kellogg. Who invented the knapsack parachute, parachute? Answer is Gleb Kotelnikov. Who invented the Kevlar? Answer is Stephen Koenig. Who invented the stethoscope? Answer is René Laennec. Who invented the milk separator and the milking machine? Answer is Gustave de Laval. Who invented radiocarbon dating? Answer is Willard Frank Libby. Who invented the hang glider? Answer is Otto Lilienthal. Who invented the waterproof raincoat or life vest? Answer is Charles McIntosh. Who invented the fire extinguisher? Answer is George William Manby. Who invented margarine? Answer is Hippolyte Meurice. Who invented the telegraph? Answer is Samuel Morse. Who invented the dynamite? Answer is Alfred Nobel. Who invented the blowtorch? Answer is Carl Richard Nyberg. Who invented the atomic bomb? Answer is J. Robert Oppenheimer. Who invented the seismometer? Answer is Luigi Palmieri. Who invented Coca-Cola? Answer is John Pemberton. Who invented soda water? Answer is Joseph Priestley. Who invented the Richter magnitude scale? Answer is Charles Francis Richter. Who invented the X-ray machine? Answer is Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Who invented the microwave oven? Answer is Percy Spencer. Who invented the blue jeans? Answer is Levi Strauss. So these were the 100 questions related to famous inventors and their inventions. I usually don't upload these much long videos, but I have to do this. So till then, take care.